Hello friends, today we have Honor 9X for repair. In this video we will change the display module. As you can see, it is broken here. And so we begin the repair. Here we need a separator to heat the back cover and remove it. Here at the bottom we have a latch. Therefore, remove the cover from the top. This will make it easier for you to remove it. At the top we have a pop-up front camera. Let's get the board. I will not remove the camera, it does not interfere. I will screw the two screws back. There is a small screw on the left. The display module cable runs under the battery here, so we will have to remove the battery in any case. To remove the battery, we will again use the separator. Here we have a cable for the display module, and we can dismantle the display module. While our display and separator are warmed up, we will immediately remove them. The display should be peeled off from the top, as it comes off much easier from the top. At least for me. Now we clean the frame outside and inside, so that later we will have everything ready and not waste time. We also remove the double-sided tape on the back cover. The display module has arrived. As you can see on the sticker, it is indicated that it is 100% original. I recommend that my clients always use original spare parts, because problems often arise with non-original displays. After the client receives a cheap display and then after some time incorrect work appears, then the client thinks that the master is bad and did a bad job. But in fact the master seemed to replace your monitor on your computer, and if you took the monitor completely crap, then what? There's a master here. The master did his job. Now I'll test the display behind the scenes, and if everything works fine, then we'll glue the display. And so the display works great, fits perfectly. Now apply glue and glue it. Before gluing, you need to remove all films. I immediately remove the excess glue because when it dries it will be more difficult to do. Leave it for about 4 hours and then continue assembling the phone. So friends, I forgot to connect the fingerprint cable, so I need to quickly unscrew the cover and connect the cable before the glue dries. Leave the phone for about 4 hours. As you can see, the touchscreen is completely working. Let's also check the cameras. We check the main camera, it worked. Now the front camera also works. All friends, the renovation is complete. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your repairs. See you later.